Some big breaking news at this moment. One survivor. Ahmedabad Police Commissioner now telling ANI, speaking to ANI on a phone call. Ahmedabad Police Commissioner says, GS Malik, the police have found one survivor in seat 11A. One survivor has been found in the hospital and is under treatment. Cannot say anything about the number of deaths yet. The death toll may increase as the flight crashed in a residential area. So that's the big news that we are getting at this moment. There is hope. One survivor has walked out unscathed. Lone survivor. The white t-shirt. The person you're seeing in the white t-shirt is the miracle survivor. Seat 11A, a survivor who was in seat 11A reportedly has managed to come out virtually unscathed. We're trying to get more details on that because prima facie that seems miraculous. But that's what we are being told. A miracle survivor of Air India plane crash. One survivor has walked out unscathed. I'm going to try and get from the passenger manifest his exact details because we had that passenger manifest. 11A, Ramesh Vishwakumar Buchavarda Diu, age Ramesh Vishwakumar, age 38, is safe. He jumped from the flight. That's right. That's what we are being told now, that there could be one miracle survivor from seat 11A. Speaking to ANI on a phone call, Ahmedabad Police Commissioner says the police found one survivor in seat 11A. He's been found and taken to the hospital, is under treatment. Cannot say anything more about the number of deaths. The death toll may increase as the flight crashed a residential area. But we will try and get you as many details at the moment. That's the one positive news coming in on this very dark day. One potential survivor, miracle survivor of the Air India plane crash. Brajesh Doshi is now joining us live from Ahmedabad. Brajesh, we're just getting this news that there could be one survivor from seat 11A.
Definitely, Radib, this is a big miracle if this news comes true. As per the Ahmedabad Police Commissioner, one lone passenger was jumped from the plane during this incident. So it is not less than a miracle if he is alive, and he's alive after such a horrible incident. Right now we are at the place. I would just like to show you the visuals of the plane which was stuck at BJ Medical Hostel mess, where the Indian doctor were taking lunch in the noon, and this plane was crashed on that mess where more than 30 Indian doctors were present there. Some of them are somewhere died due to this incident, but there is no official figures given yet how many doctors are alive or how many doctors have died. But this is the wreckage of the plane which is still there. And now the Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel has reached at the spot right now, where he is taking the stock of the situation, how the incident was occurred and how it has happened. So Gujarat Chief Minister has reached to the spot, and he is taking the stock of the situation, how this incident was occurred. The Chief of the Police, DGP, is with him. He is briefing the Chief Minister here that how it was happened and how the incident was occurred, how the rescue operation was done, how the teams reached here, be it NDRF, SDRF or the armed forces were reached on the spot after the incident. So these are the review, taking a stock of the review of the situation right now. In a short while from now, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will reach here. He will also visit the site, and he will also look the situation. But this is the site where the plane was crashed and hostel mess. We have been told that this is a BJ Medical's hostel mess where this plane was crashed in the noon, where more than 50 people were here with doctors and their families, and the local people were there also in this mess. But there is no confirmation yet how many people are alive or how many people are died. We have to wait for the official confirmation. But the good news, as per the Ahmedabad police commissioner, that one lone survivor of this incident was saved, and he jumped from the flight during this incident.
Do you believe in God? If that is true, in a flight like that, with the kind of crash that's taken place, if there's a survivor, it's a miracle.